Hey Sparkly Vixens, happy 2023. I'm so glad to be slaying to this new year with you guys. And then guys, if you don't know who I am, my name is Pinup Savi Monroe. I do retro hauls, retro tutorials, vintage hauls, vintage book hauls, lingerie hauls, vintage niches, different vintage eras. That is a niche on this channel. So if you like, please hit like and subscribe. And please turn on the notification bell so you guys can get updates when I upload more videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed my last book haul for the last one for 2022. I hope you guys liked that video, but I want us to slay way into a new haul video for clothes. Now this video is sponsored by Temu. They were so nice and kindly enough to give me 9 pieces of their collection. Now these range from vintage retro inspired dresses to lingerie. All these pieces is inspired by spring because I know spring is coming up soon. So these pieces is more lounge, springy, pieces, and then the velvets is like more just nighttime outfits when you want to go out. So I hope you guys like that. Now everything is for sale. Everything is sale for 90% off, and if you want an extra 30% off, all you gotta put is buy 374 link. Click the link into my bio so you guys can get that link for the extra 30% off. But everything on their site is 90% off, guys. Do not miss that sale. You guys will get everything 90% off, and then an extra 30% off if you click the link in my bio. So guys, do not miss out on this. It is buy 374, and guys, everything is so cheap, everything is nice, and everything is under $10. So you cannot beat that price, guys. This dress wasn't even that much. I mean, guys, don't sleep on Temu. Temu has some really cute pieces. So guys, please watch this video and let me know what pieces you guys like, what you guys dislike. It's okay, I want honest opinions here. So if you guys want to see the rest of this video, please keep watching. Alright Vixens, now this first outfit is a champagne colored black lined negligee, satin silk negligee. It has a black detail in the front and bow. It's very short, Vixen, so I would show you the back, but it's too short. I can honestly just show you the side of it. It's very short and just meant to wear in the house, but it's very comfortable, and I really do love the way this outfit feels on my body. Now Vixens, this next lingerie piece is super short in the back, but I wanted to show that part. It has lace detailing at the very bottom. It is satin, silk, and flower detail. It has lace in the front and a tiny little bow in the front of the bra part of this little negligee. I really love it. It's very, very comfortable, Vixens, and I love how it fits on my body. The material is very stretchy and is very comfortable to wear in the house, and I highly recommend this cute little piece. And I thought it would have been a very cute little piece to wear inside. Now Vixens, this little nightgown is so cute. It has a split on the side, so it will show a little hip. It has like a asymmetrical cut on this nightgown, so I thought that was really cute. And plus, I like the satin material of this nightgown, and it has floral detail. It has a red little bow in the front and some lace trim. I thought it was very cute to put into this haul, and I thought it was very pretty, guys. It is just such a comfortable nightgown to wear. Now this Sparkly Vixens is a very short little negligee dress. It has floral detail and lace. The bodice is lace in the front. It does have a little bow in the front with a little bit of lace trim on the bra line. It is very short, Vixen, so I am not even going to attempt to show you guys the back of this. It is too short, but it is so come hither enough to wear inside the house. I do recommend this if you just want to lounge and just look cute inside of the house. This is a cute little piece to wear. Now Vixens, this piece right here is just a nice little sundress to wear outside. I absolutely love the material. It just clings to my body. It gives it enough give for my curves. So that is another reason why I love this dress. It does have a tie in the front and a little cut in the front of the bra of this dress. So if you guys have, you know, bigger girls like me, then you guys will have to wear a nice coverage bra with this outfit. For this video, my bra is showing a tiny bit, but I'm just showing you guys just how this fits. So I wouldn't wear this exact bra outside, but that's how it looks in the front. It has a split on the side in the front of the dress, and it's just like a nice floral, pretty sundress to wear outside. Now this dress, Vixens, is very pretty. I love this dress. It is a satin lavender dress with floral detail, a split in the front, and it has a sweetheart neckline. The shoulder straps are tied, so you can put them over your shoulders or around your shoulders, whatever your preference is. I do love the details in the floral print on the dress, and it does have a lot of give for it to be a satin dress. You can wear this in the spring or summertime, Vixens, and you can wear this for date night or we're just chilling with your girls. I really love this dress and I highly recommend, and I just love how it feels on my body and the satin feeling on my body. Now Vixens, this is one of my favorite dresses. I absolutely love it, and it has plenty of stretch and give. It has lace detail all in the dress with a sheer bottom to it with satin trimming. I love this dress. It is going over my curves just perfectly. A lot of give. It has a lot of lace detail on the bra and in the skirt parts, and it has mesh paneling in the middle and bottom. I love this dress, Vixens, and I highly recommend it if you just want like a well put together lace dress just to go out for the night and look very beautiful. And it has that retro look and vibe that I love. Now Vixens, this dress is so pretty. It reminds me just of one of those pretty black 80s dresses back in the day that I've seen Diane Carroll wear on one of her book covers, and I had to get it. Remind me of it. Guys, it has all the sparkly details. It's so sparkly. Metal, crystal, diamond bows in the front. And it has like a little ruffling on the shoulder pads. And it's just giving me that 80s vibe on this dress. It goes over my knees and it's very comfortable. It's velvet with the shimmer. The material is not itchy at all, Vixens, and I highly recommend this dress. Just look how shimmery and pretty this dress is, Vixens. I highly recommend this dress. It is so pretty and I absolutely adore it. Now, Vixens, last but not least, this velvet green dress. It has a split in the front, and it really makes my booty look good. I just had to put that in there because it does. It is very clingy on my skin. I love the halter neckline. It's giving me that 70s vibe for the halter, but this is a sexy little velvet green dress you can wear with a nice accessories and some nice heels and look very, very beautiful. It's giving me that retro vibe as well. I had to get this dress. I have nothing really green or velvet, and I thought it was beautiful to wear. That is it, guys. I hope you sparkly Vixens enjoy this video, and I hope you like all the pieces. Now, once again, if you guys want this, everything is off 90% and an extra 30% if you put the code BUY374 and click that link in the description box below. I will list all these pieces in the description box and the names, so just click the links and you guys put in the code. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you sparkly Vixens again soon. Bye, dolls.